Now in this question, let's look at this ratio and let's give it some units. Let's say feet. So it's 23.1 feet to 6.6 feet. It's a ratio, and a ratio can be written as a fraction. Just for convenience, we write it as 23.1, whatever number comes first is the numerator, divided by 6.6. Both are feet, and so the units cancel. So we're left with 23.1 divided by 6.6. Now, when the numbers are in the decimal form, we have to try to convert it to the whole number form. The way we're going to convert this to a whole number is by multiplying by 10 in the numerator and in the denominator. So that makes it 231 divided by 66. Now we want to see if any factors in the numerator cancel with the factors in the denominator. So let's factor it first. So it looks like the denominator is divisible by 11. Let's see if we have the numerator 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So therefore 231 is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21. The remainder is 2 when we subtract 21 from 23. 3 sevens are 21 and the remainder is 0. So we write it as 3 times 77. And clearly 77 is divisible by 11. So we write it as 11 times 7. 6 is divisible by 3. So that's 3 times 2 times 11. Cancel the 3's, cancel the 11's. We have 7 to 2. Now remember, this is not a fraction, it's a ratio. So the way you're going to read it is 7 to 2, or it's 7 is to 2. So when you see this ratio, it is equivalent to the ratio 7 to 2. The whole number form is much easier to understand than when the ratio is in the decimal form. And that's why if you see a ratio in the decimal form, convert it to the whole number form. And how do we convert it to the whole number form? Get rid of decimals by multiplying with powers of 10. But remember that whatever you multiply the numerator with, you have to multiply the denominator with the exact same number.